Yes, Instant Go 10,000 wireless. An ultra fast charging power bank from InfinityLab. 10,000, whatever 10,000 means. So you can't think about, like when you see 10,000, that means 10,000 milliamps or whatever, 10,000 watts. That doesn't say that, right? It says only 10,000. So is there a specification on here what this thing does? Here, box contents, 10,000. 10,000 milliamp plus a wire and manual. And this whole package thing here seems to be recyclable. And this is recyclable material, like. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, look at this. Sorry. There's a cable in there. And business cards. No. Is that it? Yeah. That's it. Quick start guide. Oh, look at that. That's how long the quick start guide is. Stuff in that. And then product registration and warranty card. Scan me and then you can register. Okay. Here, look at this. An infinity cable. It has yellow in there. And USB-C yellow. Okay. I don't know if the color coding yellow means anything. This is empty. And then we have this here. That is paper. So also environmentally friendly. How does this open? There it is. It feels soft. That's interesting. So we have here a button. Click on it. It's half full. I mean, that makes sense. When you ship and store things, then you go half full. It has an in-out and an out. Regular USB out and an in-out USB-C. Look at that, just 10,000. And engraved here, recycle, love, earth. Crazy, right? Now, if it's wireless, then you can charge your phone like this. Look at that. It's charging. See that? So just put your phone on there and you charge it. Wireless charging. That's one thing. And another thing I want to try is to charge a GoPro. We have here a Hero10 black. Let's turn that thing on. Your SD card is too slow for this. Okay. 39% battery life, so we want to see if we can charge that. The SD card has nothing to do with being able to charge on it. Let's plug that in here. There. And then plug in here. Do any lights light up? Oh yeah, here, lights light up here. And there we see the charging symbol. It is charging. And now the trick was we want to find out if we can record in 4K if this thing's connected to the charger, right? Let me change here to 4K 30 and then press record. The recording, it stopped charging, as you can see, but we want to see if we can remove the battery and if it keeps recording. And so we see here it does record with no battery. Okay, let's stop the recording. That works. Let's start the recording. No battery. That works with the original cable that came with this. So we can run this camera without battery in 4K 30. Now we want to turn this off. We know that the GoPro Hero10 Black is a little tricky in this kind of scenario. So I want to make sure that this goes. I know my SD card is not the fastest, that's fine. No battery, we have 4K 30. Record. It's recording. The thing with the GoPro Hero10 was that this kind of scenario is not so easy to achieve with certain power modules and cables. So this seemed to work. Now, for you guys to look at the preferences, often what plays a role is about camera info. Software version here, 1.50. See that? 1.50 is my software version. So the firmware on the GoPro seems to play a role in this kind of scenario, as well as the power cable you use to connect. The power bank plays a role. And as you can see here, this seems to really work. There's it's recording. See that? Yeah, that's me. Hi. Yeah. I don't know for how long it's gonna work, but it does work. Now, the question is, we're doing this, and then at the same time, I run the wireless charging. Let's see if that works. Huh? It does not work. It's not wireless charging. Yeah? So you can't do wireless charging and powering your GoPro at the same time. As you can see here, there is no battery inserted, and it is recording. Now, people would ask again, why would you do that? Overheating, right? So it won't overheat as fast because there is air in there now where it can, and where the air can get in there to cool it down, and the battery doesn't get hot when we do this. So yeah, that's how that goes. Let's try this again. So we have no battery. Plug this in. Blinked once here. Turn the camera on. It does say no battery. Now we start it. Works. No error message. Let's try the other thing. So we turn the camera off. powering off. And now we do the quick one. You like just press the record button and see what happens. Turns on, says no battery, and works. So this seems to be a solution for when you want to power your Hero10 with external power. Now, how do you charge this thing? You probably reverse the cable here, put this in the in and output, and then plug this one into your USB charger. And then you go in to charge this beast. Can we see this here? It's not that bright, but it's charging. And in the next video, we open this thing up to see what's inside.